Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the Messenger app is updated and that both you and the recipient have compatible devices. This avoids protocol mismatches. Once done, open a new message, choose the encrypted chat option such as secret conversation or turn on end-to-end encryption. Make sure to request the contact joins an encrypted session immediately. This begins key exchange. If prompted, accept permission requests and grant camera/microphone only if you now handle the key exchange and verification. After initiating the secure session, Messenger generates a fingerprint. You must compare that fingerprint with your contact, either read the 60-digit code or scan the QR code. If they match, confirm on both sides so the app stores the trust. If anything looks off, revoke the session and restart the exchange. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Also, periodically re-verify if devices are swapped or accounts change. Finish by ensuring encrypted messages display the lock or end-to-end badge so you know they are protected. Once confirmed, disable cloud backups for that chat to prevent keys from being uploaded. Keeping keys local is the why behind this step. If messages fail to encrypt, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clear Messenger cache, sign out and sign back in, then reinitiate verification. If that doesn't work, reinstall the app and repeat the key exchange to reset corrupted credentials.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.